Okay, so let's look at another multiple angle example. So we're going to have 2 sine of 2t minus square root of 3 is equal to 0. So again, I know this is a multiple angle because instead of just having t or just having x inside, we now have something times t or t plus or minus something. Okay, so in this case, my solution, I'm going to get rid of the 3 on my left, or sorry, the square root of 3 on my left-hand side by adding it to both. This gives me 2 sine of 2t is equal to square root of 3. And then again, I'm going to use my algebra to divide both sides, giving me sine of 2t is equal to square root of 3 over 2. So just like before, I know that I can find square root of 3 over 2 as some of my sine values on my unit circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that 2t is equal to pi over 3, and 2t is equal to 2 pi over 3, because these are the two angles of theta, which give me the square root of 3 over 2 as a value. So then from here, what I'm going to do is just divide both sides by 2. So I get t is equal to pi over 3 divided by 2, which gives me pi over 6. And t is equal to 2 pi over 3 divided by 2, which is equal to pi over 3. Now remember, you can do this by kind of your rules of exponents, your rules of division. I'm giving you these. If you do need some help on that, if it's been a while since you've added, subtraction, multiplied, and divide fractions, please let me know, and again, I'm more than happy to go over those with you. So what that's going to give us is t is equal to pi over 6 plus n pi, and t is equal to x over 3 plus n pi as our two generalized solutions. Now, what I want you to think about is, why do we just have n pi here? I know that sine has a period of 2 pi. And of course the reasoning is, if we have 2n pi divided by 2, which we have here because of our multiple angle, of course our 2's cancel, leaving us with just n pi. And so we have our basic solutions of pi over 6 and pi over 3, and then we're going to have our generalized solutions, which took into account that 2, and that's why you're just adding n pi rather than 2n pi divided by 2. We should simplify when we can.